In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through HubSpot's Commerce Hub to create and manage invoices effectively. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your invoice process, or just someone needing a little HubSpot know-how, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, we'll start by accessing the user guide in HubSpot. Open up your web browser and go directly to the HubSpot user guide page. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, in particular the sidebar options. This is your main navigation tool that will guide you to the different sections of HubSpot. Next, head over to the Commerce section, which can be found on that very sidebar. This is where all the magic happens. Once you click on Commerce, it will unfold a series of options related to payments, products, and invoices that HubSpot offers within its Commerce module. Select Invoices from the available options. It's crucial to select this as it directs you to the Invoicing dashboard where all past invoices are listed and new ones can be created. Once you're in the Invoices section, look for the Create button. This is located prominently on the screen, making it easy to find. After you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Create One-Time Invoice. This option is perfect for services rendered or products sold that don't require recurring billing. Now, let's move on to setting up the details for your invoice, starting with the Billing Contact. Click on Billing Contact to select or enter the details of the person or entity responsible for the payment. It's essential to choose the correct contact because this ensures your invoice reaches the intended recipient without any hitches. Next, choose Company from the next options. Enter the relevant company details associated with the billing contact. Be meticulous while doing this to avoid any discrepancies later on. Now, it's time to specify addresses. Begin with the billing address section where you should enter the address where the invoice should be sent and officially recognized. Following this, enter the shipping address, which could be different in case there's physical delivery involved. Once addresses are sorted, focus on defining the invoice date. This is the date on which you're generating the invoice. Alongside this, also clarify the payment terms, which dictate how soon the payment should be made upon receipt. And lastly, don't forget to specify the due date. This is calculated based on the payment terms selected. It helps set a clear timeline for payment, which can help prevent any misunderstanding or delayed payments. By the end of this guide, you'll have a complete and accurate invoice ready to be sent out, helping you manage your business transactions more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and be sure to apply these steps for seamless invoice management with HubSpot's Commerce Hub.